All right, hi everyone. Happy Friday. We're continuing our study of decolonization. We're going to also continue our study of looking at a specific example. Today and Monday, we'll be looking at Algeria. All right. So we have the same academic integrity expectations that we've had. This is an individual assignment. So plagiarism includes having the same work as another, so don't do it. All right. So what will we be looking at today? All right, so Algeria is a country in northern Africa, borders the Mediterranean Sea, and we're also be looking at the story of Algerian independence, but we're also going to be asking this question of decolonization or revolution. All right. Decolonization is the idea that the colonial power, so in this case France, withdrew, leaving the country independent. Whereas the other side of the question is, or second option is a revolution where the Algerians are going to forcibly overthrow the French control. So keep that in mind as we look at this story. So part one here, I'm going to read over this overview, just a couple brief paragraphs, and answer these 6 questions. FLN is the National Liberation Front. It's in French, so hence the FLN, the initials. And question 5 here is, based on just these 2 paragraphs, what do you think is a better description of what happened in Algeria? Is decolonization or revolution? Again, thinking back to what we went over here. All right. Next part of this activity, we're going to be looking at a timeline. So it picks us off November 1st, 1954. So World War II has been over for about 9 years. All right, and you can see it brings us all the way through to 1965. All right. Question 6 is, which events were the most horrific committed by each side? So an example of a French horrific event and an example of an Algerian horrific event. All right, and then question 7 is the same as question 5. You can have a different uh, conclusion, decolonization or revolution, but if you keep it the same, note that we're looking at the timeline though, so you still have to give a reason why. It cannot be the same as question 5 because we looked at an entirely different set of information here. I hope all is well. Enjoy the weekend and make sure you do something nice for Mother's Day. That is all. Take care.